Hi friends, I am THWUFAILU. Before starting my video, let me say, please support my channel by subscribing to it if you are not already done it, and please press the bell icon to get notified with my latest videos. With that being said, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and type image to PDF converter. Now download and install this app, and after you install, open this. Now click on the add button on the lower left lower right of the screen and select any image that you want to send. Now press done. Now you need to click on the PDF button on top right of the screen. Now you need to enter the PDF details, enter any name you want, and next option is very important for password protection, and enter any password that you like and press the OK button. So you can see the PDF file here. Now click on the share button to send it through WhatsApp and select WhatsApp here. Now select any contacts that you want to send. Now you can see the message is sent, and when he tried to open that file, he will be prompted by a screen to enter the password. So when he enters the correct password only, he can unlock that file. Yeah, you can see when he entered the correct password, the file will be unlocked. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed my videos and you need more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.